Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to change default message app on Android. Here are the steps to help you change the default messaging app. First, look for the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Scroll down and tap Apps, Apps and Notifications, or App Management, depending on your phone brand. This section manages all installed apps. Tap Default Apps. On some phones, you might need to first tap Advanced, then Default Apps. Select SMS app or Messaging app. This shows a list of messaging apps installed on your device. Choose your preferred messaging app. For example, Messages by Google, Samsung Messages, Textra, or another third-party app. Tap the app name to set it as your default. Your selection will now be your new default SMS app. Grant necessary permissions if prompted. The app may request access to send and receive SMS messages and access your contacts. Confirm the change if prompted. You may get a pop-up asking you to confirm the switch, tap yes, or set as default, etc. Now, open the new default messaging app. Set up your preferences like notifications, theme, and chat features. Check your SMS conversations. Existing messages should automatically appear in the new app. Just by sending a message. Type a message, then hit send the text to ensure the new app is working properly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.